Matthew 2. After them born Jesus for Bethlehem, where dey Judea, for the time wey Herod be king, some wise men from east come go Jerusalem. They ask, where the Jew king wey them just born? We see the star wey talk about am, so we come worship am. Wetin them talk so, vex King Herod and Jerusalem people. So the king gather all the priests together and the people wey sabi the law, come ask them, where una think say dem go for born Christ? Dem come answer, na for Bethlehem wey dey Judea, just as prophet Isaiah write say, Bethlehem people, una wey small pass for all the people wey dey rule Judah, na from among una the person wey go lead all my people for Israel go come from. Then Herod call the wise men go corner, make them for tell am when dem see the star. He come say, make una go look for the pikin well well. When una don see am, make una come tell me, so that me too go worship am. When the king talk finish, the wise men come dey go, and the star wey dem see before come dey lead them until e stop on top the house wey the pikin dey. When dem see the star, dem come dey happy. Dem enter the house, see the pikin with him mama, come kneel down worship am. Then dem open their bag, come give am some gifts wey be gold, frankincense and myrrh. Because God warn them for dream, make dem no go back go meet Herod, then come pass another road go their house. When the wise men don go, God angel come tell Joseph for dream, get up, carry the pikin and him mama, run go Egypt, make una stay there until I go tell you wetin una go do, because Herod wan kill the pikin. That same night, Joseph wake up, carry the pikin and him mama, come run go Egypt. Then stay there till Herod die. This thing make wetin God prophet talk happen say, I call my pikin comot from Egypt. When Herod see say the wise men deceive am, he vex well well, so he sent soldiers make them go kill all the boys wey don reach 2 years come down, because he don reach 2 years when the wise men come meet am say, then see the star. This one make wetin prophet Jeremiah talk happen say, people hear cry and shout for Ramah. Rachel dey cry for him pikin them wey don die, and nothing wey people talk fit make him heart strong. After Herod die, God angel appear to Joseph for dream when he still dey Egypt, come tell am, make you get up, carry the pikin and him mama go Israel, because the person wey wan kill am don die. So he carry the pikin and him mama go Israel back. But when he hear say Archelaus dey rule for Judea after Herod him papa don die, Joseph come fear to go there. After God don warn am for dream, he come go Galilee. When he reach Nazareth, he come stay there. This one make wetin prophet Jeremiah talk happen say, dem go say Jesus na Nazareth he from come.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.